Sawubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela namuhla kulanga lechumi ele-21 day Ndebele challenge for beginners. Angithi sesifike ku day 10. Siyaqhubeka sikhuluma ngenyamazana. Angithi kulanga elidlulileyo izolo besikhuluma ngenkukhu, inkomo, imbuzi, ini futhi ingulube. Angithi kuyini okucommon? What's common between those animals? Zonke ziqalisa ngo-E, imbuzi, inkomo, inkukhu. Angithi lamhla sikhuluma ngenyamazana eziqalisa ngo-U. Right. Uyazikhumbula yini? Kuyini lokho? Umangoye. Angithi umangoye. Leke kuyini? Ubabhemi. Angithi ubabhemi. And then kule enye ngikuphathele yona ngazi kumbe uyayazi i-rhino ngesindebele. Sithi thina ubhejane. Angithi ubhejane. So inyamazana lezi ziqalisa ngo-U. Ngakho nxa sikhuluma ngazo sizibala zile pattern yazo ehlukileyo kule pattern ka day 9. Angithi sifuna ukubona ukuthi uyayikhumbula yini i-pattern yenyamazana lezi. Asiqalise ngokuthi I see 1 cat, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asibale nje sifika ku-5 sibala omangoye. Angithi. Right, I see 1 cat. Sithini? Ngibona umangoye oyedwa. Sesithi oyedwa umangoye. Angithi. I see 2. Ngibona omangoye ababili. What about 3? Ngibona omangoye abathathu. Angithi. 4. I see 4 cats. Ngibona omangoye abane. Angithi. What about I see 5 cats? Ngibona omangoye abahlanu. All right. So that's how you count these animals eziqalisa ngo-U. Angithi. So if you remember, we said that it's the same pattern for counting even people. Angithi. The little difference is this: with people, you're going to say, I see 1 person. Ngibona umuntu oyedwa. Right? 2. You're now saying abantu ababili. Just like the difference is it's abantu, not obantu. All right. Umangoye sithe omangoye ababili. Omangoye abathathu. Asibale abantu. Ngibona umuntu oyedwa. And 2. Ngibona abantu ababili. Same, ababili. Omangoye ababili. Abantu ababili. I see 3 people. Ngibona abantu abathathu. What about 4? Ngibona abantu abane. 5. Ngibona abantu abahlanu. Angithi. Right, let me give you these animals in random. Right, let's see if you can get them correct. Also putting people in there and children. Remember, abantwana, they also follow the same pattern. Right, I see 1 child. Ngibona umntwana oyedwa. I see 2 cats. Ngibona omangoye ababili. I see 3 people. Ngibona abantu abathathu. Angithi. How about I see 4 donkeys? Ngibona obabhemi abane. I see 5 children. Ngibona abantwana abahlanu. Are you getting it? Are you getting it right? Ngithemba kanjalo mfundi wami. Nanzi ingqobe zakho, ingqobe the challenge. Bhala kuma comments ukuthi I see 3 rhinos. Sithe i-rhino kuyini ngesindebele? Wathi I see 3 rhinos right now. Bhala kuma comments sibone ukuthi uyazwisisa yini mfundi. Sizabonana ku challenge elandelayo.